So according to Culture Amp's 2022 Workplace DEI report, only 34% of organizations reported having enough resources to support their DEI initiative. Hashtag yikes. So what I think is kind of important about this is, in addition to the 34%, there's actually another survey that was done, and 81% of HR leaders reported that they believe DEI initiatives are beneficial to their organization, and only 34% have enough resources to support it. So something's got to change there, right? So let's talk about why we want to provide DE&I training. Really just going to go over a few items here with you all, and then Hannah can talk about some of those courses with you, right? So first and foremost, employees feel more welcomed and accepted. When you're providing DE&I training, you're creating a psychologically safe workplace, and you're retaining your organization's top talent, right? There's a stronger sense of belonging, and global human capital surveys indicates that a stronger sense of belonging is one of the most critical human capital issues found. So that's a big one, right? And then lastly, more collaborative work environment yields to about 20% more innovative thoughts and ideas, and that's according to Deloitte Insights. So as you can see, DE&I training is incredibly important. Real quick story. One of our clients wanted to increase their DE&I training, and they didn't really know what to do. They knew that it was important, but what was the direction they wanted to go? So really what we did is we created a small program that is working for them. It's been really effective. And really what we did was, let's take a look at some of the courses and find out how you want to deliver it. So we came up with an idea to promote and deliver training on a quarterly basis. They selected 4 different topics that they're going to train on Q1 through Q4. And what I really liked about their idea was that we're bringing up awareness around DE&I throughout the entire year, rather than just training on it, say, like at the beginning of the year. So every couple of months, the employees are being asked to consume some of that content, and really just creating, a more collaborative work environment. So some food for thought there for those that are listening. And I'm going to go ahead and move it forward. We can talk about some of those courses there, Hannah.
Yes, perfect. So as the director of content curation, I know I'm not supposed to pick favorites, but this is easily my favorite topic to create content on. No disrespect to bloodborne pathogens. It's very important to know, but this is content I care very deeply about. The fact is, not all workplaces are the same. Not everyone works in an office or in healthcare, or a college professors or work in a plant, but all of us work with other humans, whether it be the public or other employees. But respect and inclusion is vital to a healthy culture. So we love getting client requests in this area, because I get a view into what your company cares about. So these are some of the titles that we have created within the past year. I would like to call out 2 of these. So the expert series with Justin Jones-Fosu. If you haven't watched Inclusive Mindset, you are missing out. His passion is so contagious, and it is so digestible for learners. It's an incredible series. It's probably my favorite one we've done so far. Again, not trying to pick favorites. Also, the using correct gender pronouns, it's obviously very current and applicable to literally all workplaces. And that's something we've been asked for directly from our clients, which I just love to see. We continue to add to this topic all the time. He is Vanessa. He is amazing. Definitely go watch it. There's 2 of them in there. You get 2 Justin Jones courses. So we're continuing, like I said, to add content to this all the time. We're paying attention not only to what you're asking for, but what comes up in our own lives and what's going on in the news. So we are always ready for you and your learners.